In this video, I'm gonna be showing you top 5 tips for your iOS 17. So if you updated your iOS version to 17, now to get better experience, you can follow these 5 tips and tricks. The first one is open your Photos app, and now you can easily convert any photo to a sticker. Just open the photo, tap and hold on the photo, tap on add sticker. Now you can add effect to the sticker by tapping on add effect, and here you will get a bunch of different effects. Select any of them and tap on done. Once the sticker saved, now you can send this sticker in iMessage. Tap on this plus icon, select stickers, and here you will get the stickers you just added from your photo gallery. The second tip is you can easily crop a photo. Open your Photos app and simply open a photo. Now pinch the photo to zoom in, and for example I want to crop this photo at this point, so tap on crop. That's how you'll be able to easily crop any photo. The third trick is you can easily hear any web page. Open a browser and open a website that you want to hear. Tap on this AA icon, and here you will get this listen to page option. So tap on that, and it may take some time to start.
ISL 2023 to 2024.
And to start
Strength,
it, tap on this icon, tap on end listening. So that's how you'll be able to hear any web page. The fourth tips is now you can search any photo using words. For example, I'm going to opening my Photos app. In my Photos app, I saved this note and I write this text password, and now for example I want to search this photo. To do that, I'm tapping on the search icon at the bottom right, and here writing password, and this iOS 17 will show you these password options. So tap on it, tap, and here you will get the image with password text. So that's how you will be able to search any photos using words in Photos app. The last tips is if you're a iOS 17 user, now you can easily add a photo album widget to your iPhone. To do that, tap and hold on an empty space, tap on this plus icon, tap on the search widgets and type here photos, select photos. Here you will get photo album widget in 3 different sizes. You can select any of them, just tap on add widget, and the photo widget will be added. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.